Some of them you got.
It's Stifler's mom. It's freaking Stifler's mom. Okay, all right, sorry. Stifler's freaking mom. One more. Flare it. Flare it out.
Flare it out.
Flare it out. There we go.
Let me see some thighs.
Flare it out.
That's right.
There we go. Perfect. All right, you're live now, girl. Stifler's mom. It's Stifler's mom. Stifler's mom, y'all. It's Stifler's mom. Oh, y'all are lucky. Y'all are lucky. Stifler's freaking mama. Shotgun wedding. Okay, sorry. I just had my moment. Lord Jesus, I didn't have my moment. All right, ready? Go in. All right, cut. Oh, this is the whole crew. This is everybody. This is your reaction. I know. Thank God I'm tall. That's Jenny, y'all. Miss Lopez, if you're nasty. Josh Jamel. Where's whoever? Where's Michelle? Jenny and Crystal, Laura looking good. Skin is gorgeous. Okay, let me zip back. Okay, hold on. Hold on. There we go. Sorry, y'all. There we go. I done lost Queen. Here we go. Got it, sorry. Got it. I'm sorry. You're welcome, Tanya. I love the rhyme, baby. They did. I did get it. The audience got it too. You're live, baby. Say something to them.
Oh, hi.
They're all here.
Hi, everybody. Me and Jenny just rapped together.
Yeah, it was wonderful. Well, there's Ben. Look at Ben looking all good. Hang on. There's Ben. There's Ben, y'all. Mr. Affleck, if you're nasty. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna do a look around, y'all, so y'all can see.
So glad I wouldn't.
I know you are. Hang on, let me zoom back.
No idea.
Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm a chef, not a videographer, okay? I have limits. I'm working on it. Okay, hang on. Isn't it the best kept secret? My commentary, you don't even know. I thought Snoop Dogg had some commentary, and he does because he is Snoop. But yeah, mine is unparalleled. If y'all only knew. Nah. I'm gonna get. Ooh, sorry. Over here, right here. Over here. We gotta get popcorn.
Send you back for popcorn.
Yeah, thank you. I want to at least get our seats. See, I told you we are gonna be perfect timing. See, look at God. That's Whitney Cummings. Hi, Whitney. Whitney Cummings, y'all. Whitney Cummings. Who else is in here? Hang on. The artwork is exquisite. And y'all, look at that crown molding. LA doing big things. That crown molding. Woo-hoo. Yes. Okay, right. Got it. Oh, we going in.
My video, that's my station.
See, put it poquito.
Usher person.
Do you have somebody that can kneel to the stage?
You really need an escort.
Sure, I'll take you guys.
That's what's up. Oh, you match too. That's wonderful. We can follow the like he's like Rudolph. Look at that.
You get in front of me.
Go ahead. I don't want you toppling. You follow me. I got it. Step. Actually, here, you got it. All right. Make sure you don't. Hey, actually, this is good.
I'm just glad I'm in these spots.
Speaking of Crocs. Oh my God! Look at the Crocs.
Now he's showing my shit.
Look at them Crocs. Look at the Crocs. All right. Careful. Sorry. Got it. Careful. Another one. Careful. Hang on. Hold on.
You got Tyrese.
Say it one more time, please.
Tyrese right there.
Oh, sorry, y'all. It's Tyrese right in front of me. Sorry. Mr. Gibson, if you're nasty. All right. Got it. Okay, thank you.
You need the tickets again?
Okay. Got it.
I'm about to let y'all go.
I see everything online.
But of course you saw me and Jenny from the block rapping, right? My new friend in my head.
To the left.
Shotgun wedding. I told you it was shotgun wedding.
I'm a big fan. Come on.
Gosh. Okay, y'all, I'm out. Talk to you about it later. Bye.